Imagine two travelers boarding the exact same long-haul flight. Same airline, same route, same number of hours in the air. But when they finally arrive, one steps off the plane feeling comfortable, refreshed, and ready to enjoy the adventure ahead. The other arrives exhausted, uncomfortable, and already thinking about how difficult the journey was. So what made the difference? It wasn't a first-class ticket, it wasn't special treatment, and it wasn't simply good luck. It was the small choices they made before and during the flight. And here's what might surprise you. Some of the biggest mistakes happen before the plane even leaves the gate, while some of the simplest changes can make a 10-hour flight feel completely different. Stay with me until the end, because one of today's rules is something many travelers only discover after years of long-haul flights, and it could completely change the way you prepare for your next journey. Experienced travelers over 50 often know something that first-time long-haul flyers learn the hard way. A comfortable flight is rarely about having the perfect circumstances. It's about being prepared. In this video, you'll discover 10 long-haul flight rules experienced travelers never ignore. Simple habits that can help you arrive feeling better, more relaxed, and ready for your trip. Before we get started, if you enjoy practical travel tips like these, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Every week, we share simple ways to help travelers over 50 save money, avoid common travel mistakes, and enjoy more comfortable trips. And if you find this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you gave it a like. It lets me know you'd like to see more videos like this. Now let's get into the first tip. Rule number 1. Never start a long flight already stressed. Experienced travelers know that a long-haul flight doesn't begin when the airplane takes off. It begins the moment you leave home. Arriving at the airport with enough time creates a completely different experience. Instead of rushing through security, checking the departure board every few minutes, and boarding the plane already stressed, you can enjoy a calmer start to your journey. A relaxed beginning often leads to a more comfortable flight, because stress before takeoff can follow you for many hours. Rule number 2. Choose your seat with the whole journey in mind. One of the biggest mistakes travelers make is choosing a seat without thinking about the entire journey. A window seat may offer beautiful views and a place to rest your head. But an aisle seat can make it easier to stand up, stretch, and access the restroom without disturbing other passengers. Experienced travelers think about what matters most to them. Do you sleep easily? Do you like moving around? Do you prefer having control over your space? The best seat is not always the most expensive one. It's the one that fits the way you travel. Rule number 3. Create your personal comfort kit before boarding. Experienced travelers know that comfort during a long-haul flight starts with having the right things within reach. Instead of placing everything in the overhead compartment, they keep important items close by. A water bottle, headphones, medication if needed, a small travel pillow, a sweater or extra layer, anything they may need during the flight. And there is another item many experienced travelers never ignore on longer flights: compression socks. Many travelers use them during long periods of sitting because they can help support circulation and improve comfort during the journey. When you are sitting for many hours, small decisions can make a big difference. Rule number 4. Stay hydrated before you feel thirsty. Many travelers make the mistake of waiting until they feel thirsty before drinking water. But inside an airplane cabin, the air is very dry. Experienced travelers know that staying hydrated is not about drinking a huge amount all at once. It is about small, regular amounts throughout the journey. They drink water regularly, and they don't rely only on coffee, tea, or alcoholic drinks. Feeling better after landing often starts with what you do during the flight. Rule number 5. Move every few hours and take care of your circulation. One rule experienced long-haul travelers rarely ignore: they move. After sitting for many hours, your body benefits from regular movement. Experienced travelers try to stand up every 2 to 3 hours when possible. They walk through the cabin, stretch their legs, move their ankles while sitting. Long periods of sitting can be uncomfortable, especially on very long flights. That's why many experienced travelers prioritize movement and circulation during the journey. Small actions can make a long flight much easier on your body. Before we continue, I'd love to hear from you. What is your biggest challenge during a long-haul flight? Is it sleeping, staying comfortable, getting enough movement, or something else? Share your experience in the comments below. Your tip might help another traveler prepare for their next journey. Rule number 6. Reduce cabin noise and protect your energy. Long flights are not only tiring because of the number of hours, they are also tiring because of constant stimulation, engine noise, announcements, bright lights, people moving around. Experienced travelers know that protecting your energy matters. Noise-canceling headphones, an eye mask, and moments of quiet can help your body relax. Sometimes the secret to a better flight is not adding more entertainment, but reducing unnecessary stress. Rule number 7. Protect yourself from cabin dryness. The air inside an airplane cabin is much drier than most people are used to. Experienced travelers prepare for this. They bring simple items that improve comfort: lip balm, moisturizer, eye drops if needed. Rule number 8. Adapt to your destination time zone. Experienced travelers don't wait until they arrive to think about jet lag. They start adapting before landing. If it is nighttime at their destination, they try to rest. If it is morning, they try to stay awake. They adjust their watch. They think about their first day, and they prepare their body for the new schedule. The goal isn't to have a perfect flight. The goal is to arrive ready to enjoy your trip. Rule number 9. Plan your arrival before you land. A common mistake is focusing only on the flight itself. But experienced travelers know that the first hours after landing matter too. Before arriving, they already know how they will get to their accommodation, whether transportation is arranged, if they need extra time after a long journey. A smooth arrival can set the tone for the entire trip. Rule number 10. Remember that the journey is part of the adventure. And finally, experienced travelers understand something important. A long-haul flight isn't just time to get through. It is part of the journey. The travelers who enjoy flying most are not always the ones with the most expensive seats. They are often the ones who know how to make the experience work for them. They prepare. They stay comfortable. They accept that travel takes time. Now we'd love to hear from you. What is your number one rule for surviving a long-haul flight? Is there something you always pack? A seat you always choose? Or a routine that makes flying easier? If you like, you can share your experience in the comments below. And if you enjoy practical travel advice designed especially for travelers over 50, Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and join us for more airline tips, cruise advice, airport hacks, and smarter ways to travel. Until next time, safe travels.